No. Battery is dead on the Honda Forza 350. Alright, so we just figured out what we're gonna do. We're gonna push this motorbike to the shop, leave it there, have them jump start it, and hopefully it's gonna work. Here we go. Let's push this to the shop. Alright, we're just about to pull up to the little shop. Even though it's only a block away, man, I'm winded. All right, well, anyways, we're gonna leave this here for a little bit, see if we can get it started. And if we do, hey, that's gonna be good. Hopefully we don't have to change the battery. I mean, it's only a year old. It looks like the battery is actually located right here. So you open up this little trunk compartment, right? There's a little section right here that we're gonna remove, and then the battery should be in there. Let's see how easy it is to pull the battery out. So as soon as I got to the shop, the battery completely died, and look at this. I can't even turn this, right? Usually this would turn with the keys in my hand, but it don't because the battery's dead. So that's why it's really important with these motorbikes to carry that little safety keychain. I'll show you guys. I got mine in my wallet. Check it out. But these are the 3 things you want to carry with you all the time when you got a Honda Forza. You got this white little keychain thing. It's got the code on it. You got a battery for your remote control, and then you got that little key so that if you do get in a jam, you can open up the front area of the motorbike and pop open the trunk. Luckily, we don't need that today. Anyways, they're about to jump start it. Let's take a look. They need the remote control. Here's the remote.
Start thế này.
Start off. You tell it. Alright. So it's kind of pretty much a jump start, right? It's like a little baby jump start. It starts, so I think everything is okay. I'm gonna drive the bike around a little bit and see if it shuts off or not. Let's take a quick look. We just got here, so now we're gonna try to start it and see if it starts. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Haha, it works. Everything is good. Okay, come on, cop. Thank you. All right, so this nice shop right here, they actually hooked up my motorbike for free, so I didn't have to pay them. So anyways, the Honda Forza didn't start. I left this little switch on last night, so the battery died. I went to go start it today, it didn't start. So I had to push the bike all the way to the shop and try to find someone to bump start it. If you're at home and you run into this problem, you got an extra battery or a friend's motorbike lying around, you can definitely get some jumper cables and jump it. As you saw in the video, they have to get to the battery. But overall, yeah, it was kind of a headache. I mean, the bike is kind of heavy. You got to push it hella far somewhere, and it was definitely a hassle. But overall, we got it started, and it's good to go. So thanks for watching this video. And you guys got any comments or any questions, leave them down below. I think I gotta go. Take care, you guys. Bye-bye.